Let's make butter chicken masala skewers. Butter chicken is a popular Indian dish featuring tender chicken in a rich, creamy and mildly spiced tomato-based sauce with butter, cream and aromatic spices like garam masala, ginger and garlic.
Born hungry is delicious. Born hungry is delicious.
Channel. Welcome to the kitchen. Today we are making butter chicken skewers. Very simple ingredients you'll use. I'm using chicken breast meat for it, some turmeric, some red chili, some black pepper, some salt. This is the king of the dish, garam masala. Get garam masala, any brand, doesn't matter. If you can find garam masala, get allspice powder. Ingredients it has: black pepper, large cardamom. This is cardamom, clove, cinnamon, bay leaf, cumin and saffron. Let's take the chicken breast out from here, give it a quick rinse from fresh water and make cubes out of it. Ooh, chicken breast. This is 2 pounds of the chicken breast meat, or call it 1 kilo. 1 kilo of the meat. This whole recipe is based on how to make 1 kilo of butter chicken masala skewer. Let's marinate our chicken and then we will put it onto the bamboo skewers. For the butter chicken, first thing goes in the chicken is garam masala. 1 whole big spoon of it, red chili powder, quarter to half tablespoon of the salt. Let's marinate this. Marinate by mixing it. So our chicken is marinated. Let's move towards the fresh veggies now. So we can put into the skewers. It's gonna make the life and the taste so good. Peppers are ready, chicken is ready. Let's put the chicken onto the skewers. Chicken, pepper, chicken, pepper, and chicken, and the pepper, and chicken. One beautiful butter chicken skewer is ready right now. So it's ready to get to cook. Butter chicken skewers are ready. We have a pot on the stove. It's on the high flame, 400 to 500 Fahrenheit. This is the butter. I'm using Irish salted butter. This is 227 grams. We will use half of it goes in here. Butter is ready. Here goes our skewers in here. You'll fry these guys at least for 10 minutes. So looking good. This is after 10 minutes of frying butter chicken skewers. Put them on the side. Our butter chicken gonna have charred chicken. It's not gonna be just any chicken. Charred, flavored. For now, we will be making masala in the same butter. For the masala, medium size white onion, dice it. Here goes the diced onion. We will take 5 to 6 cloves of fresh garlic. Again, just dice it. Here goes the garlic. Saute the onion for 5 minutes on high flame, and at the same time we will add the masalas. Remember, king of the dish? We will add 1 tablespoon in here. Ginger powder. You can use fresh ginger in there as well. 1 tablespoon. Black pepper, half tablespoon. Quarter tablespoon of the red chili. This is the masala. Onions are sauteed with the masala, and now it's the time. You will take plain yogurt. You can add cream in there as well. I'm adding 4 tablespoons, which will do the job for whole. 1 cup of tomato sauce. Here you go. To make it extra delicious, you have to add dairy cream in there. 2 tablespoons of cream. Let's give it a mix. So the cream is in the masala and the cream will be as a topping too. And here you go, 1 cup of water goes in here. Take your delicious butter chicken, crusty, land it back in here. Let it cook. Put it onto simmer. Cook it at least for 15 minutes. And after 15 minutes, I'll see you with delicious butter chicken masala skewers. We're gonna have a butter chicken masala at the base, and we're gonna have a delicious chicken uniformed on top. It's gonna be a bomb recipe. Give me just 15 more minutes. 35 minutes later, I have white rice. I've made it in the rice cooker, and delicious butter chicken ready. Let's turn off the stove. There you go. Uniform, good work. How to serve it? Take the cream, let the cream comes out, and just serve it like this.
If you feel like letting go, you can take control. You can turn this all to something beautiful where you feel
Sprinkle some fresh cilantro.
you down, 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 gets you down, down, down. Say louder, say louder. Oh,
Alright. Look at this butter chicken skewer.
bring the energy one more time.
Let's land this right here. Grab some masala at the base. This is the masala. Let's add it right next to it. Don't tell me you don't like this. Anyone can make this recipe. Alright. Look at the creamy sauce. Easy, simple. Put this on the rice. Okay. Butter chicken, more masala. Look at this. Indian style eatery with the hand, with the pepper.
Turn this all to something beautiful where you feel
All the meat out.
life
So this is what you will
gets
see.
you down, 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 gets you down, down, down.
I have no words. Steaming hot too. Unbelievable. They're ready to go. Homemade food is the king. It's clean. You know what you're eating, what you're consuming. Make home cooked food. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for all new family members.